So I found a shower head on Amazon that basically turns your shower into a full rainfall spa. This thing is basically a full shower setup, a handheld sprayer, an extension arm, and a three-way diverter all in one box. Which means, theoretically, you could turn a completely normal apartment shower into something that feels a little more like a hotel spa situation. So naturally, I had to try it. So when you open the box, you actually get quite a lot of pieces. You have the 12-inch rainfall shower head, which is the big square one. Then you get a handheld shower head, which has 10 different spray settings. You also get a 71-inch stainless steel hose, which is actually much longer than most handheld shower hoses. There's a 12-inch adjustable extension arm, a three-way diverter, an adhesive shower holder, and all of the washers and tape that you need for installation. So this is essentially everything you need to completely upgrade your shower without having to buy any extra pieces, which I personally appreciate because there's nothing worse than getting halfway through a project and realizing you have to go back to the hardware store. The installation process is actually very straightforward. You remove your old shower head, attach the diverter valve, connect the extension arm, and then attach the rainfall head and handheld hose. And the whole system is designed so that way you don't need any additional tools or a plumber, which is great because if you're like me, your plumbing expertise is basically just churning things until they stop leaking. But once everything is installed, you now have a shower system with two shower heads working together, which is where things start getting interesting. The main feature here is the 12-inch rainfall shower head, and this thing has 154 spray nozzles, which creates that really wide, even rain style spray. It's made from SUS 304 stainless steel, so it's designed to resist rust and hold up over time, and it uses something called air-in technology, which basically mixes air into the water stream to create a fuller spray without needing extra crazy water pressure. So instead of a narrow stream hitting you in the forehead like a laser beam, you get more of a soft rainfall effect across your entire shoulders and back, which is honestly a pretty nice upgrade from your typical shower head. Then you also have the handheld shower head, again with 10 different spray settings, and these range from your standard shower spray all the way to something called a wide fan mode, which is actually very useful for cleaning the shower itself, which I didn't expect to enjoy as much as I did. But if you've ever tried to rinse shampoo foam off your shower walls, you can appreciate a wide fan mode. The handheld also makes it easier if you're doing things like washing pets, cleaning the tub, or just trying to rinse things without getting your entire bathroom soaked. One feature I think is actually pretty smart is the adjustable extension arm, because with larger rainfall shower heads, the angle can sometimes get weird if they're mounted too closely to the wall. But this extension arm actually lets you adjust both the height and the angle, so the rainfall head stays perfectly horizontal, which of course keeps the water falling straight down instead of shooting sideways. And the curved design also helps support the weight of the larger shower head, so everything is very sturdy once everything's installed. Another nice feature is the three-way diverter valve. This lets you essentially run the rainfall shower head, the handheld shower head, or both at the same time. Overall, the system is basically designed to take a normal shower setup and turn it into something that feels a little more customizable. You get the rainfall effect, the handheld flexibility, adjustment height, and a surprisingly easy installation. And because everything's included in one box, it's actually a pretty straightforward upgrade. So if you've ever wanted that hotel rainfall shower experience without replacing your entire shower system, this is actually a pretty simple way to do that, especially if you're in an apartment or a rental and can't make permanent plumbing changes. So if you want to check out the exact model I tested, you can find it linked down below, also on my Amazon storefront. Really quick, they also have an upgraded version, which is typically a little bit more expensive. That one promises to actually increase your water pressure if that's something you need. I'll link that down below as well. If you like videos where I test interesting products, follow Mike's Deal Finder. I'm always looking for new gadgets, upgrades, and things that just make sense. I'll catch you in the next one.